Hey girl, hey! Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Veronique, and on this channel, we treat our hair like it's an art project. So it's finally sweater weather season. Autumn is here. My favorite season. So today we're gonna be doing a fall harvest pumpkin spice inspired redhead look. But we're still going to try and give this blend a sense of realness and natural essence. We're going to do this by adding some rusty brown, burgundy, and marigold tones. These two shades look similar on camera, but I promise you they are different. One is brighter and the other one is a little bit more dull and blunt, but they are both shades of bright orange, which does make a difference in the final aesthetic. So here are the 7 shades I use for this custom color blend. From right to left, we have a Creamsicle Orange, a True Orange. This is literally the brightest color I've ever put in my hair. A Yellow Orange, an Apricot, a Rusty Amber, an Ariel Red, and finally a Burgundy. So let's create something magical. First, I'm going to blend out this Ariel Red with this True Orange and the Rusted Amber. I'm going to blend this out as much as possible because I promise you, honey, this orange wants to make its presence known. Once I brush it out with my denim brush, look at that perfect ginger. So now I'm going to blend a shade 1 octave lighter in color by adding the Creamsicle Orange to the 3 colors we just used. This color will go directly under the previous shade we created. This way, the colors will melt together in a seamless ombre. Finally, I'm going to blend the Yellow Orange with the True Orange and an Apricot shade. I like to focus the lighter colors at the bottom of my hair because I really want to go for a peekaboo effect. And I really just think that hidden different shade at the bottom is so pretty. Alright ladies, so here are the 8 color shades I created with the 7 colors mentioned at the beginning of this video. The darkest colors I'm going to be placing at the top of my head, and the lighter shades I'm going to focus towards the bottom. Essentially what we're creating is a tiered ombre look. So here are some close-up images of the colors, just so you don't miss it. Every shade I created has the True Orange color in it. And yes, ladies, I did cheat. I added some blonde to the 2 shades at the bottom because I wanted the color to be lighter, but I also wanted the color to be more realistic. And I find that natural hair colors mixed with unnatural hair colors just really hit different. Anyways, the blondes I used were left over from my strawberry milkshake blend. If you missed it, I'll put the link in my description box. I was able to find some rust-colored metallic hair. I'm going to be slipping some of these strands into my hair with light colors, obviously. So it will most likely be slipped at the top so you can actually see it. And this is going to give it this magical princess vibe. Okay, let's go get this braided. Here is the final results. A pumpkin spice, autumn harvest, the leaves falling from the trees kind of aesthetic. So if you could let me know if this was a success or a flop, I'd really appreciate it. The first thing I want to let you know is full transparency. Initially, I had put a lot of red at the top of my hair. Maybe the two first rows were red. And there was also a lot of solid oranges, a lot of solid reds going on. And honestly, I really didn't like it. So I had gone back to the hairdresser to go and get it fixed because I found that because I cheated and I added some blonde to the bottom, the red was really conflicting with the yellow marigold tones, and it was giving such a high contrast that I just didn't really like how it turned out in the end. So I went back to my hairdresser. I got the two first rows edited, meaning most of them were removed, and I replaced them with either a lighter orange or a darker orange blend. But I did keep about 5 of the red, and I really do feel like that really brings the look together a bit more. So after I had removed most of the red from the top of my hair, unfortunately I lost a lot of the metallics because I only had so much metallic hair to braid into, to feed into the braids. Technically, I only got through the first 5 blends out of the 8. The reason why I felt like I really had to remove the orange solid braids from my hair was because it was really giving Play-Doh, child's play, really. And I'm really going for a grown and sexy look, not a childish, playful look. I absolutely love it. I feel like it looks a lot better up than it does down. And I don't know, I just really like it. And I just feel like everybody needs to see this, okay? Because like the amount of dimension in these braids, you can see a lot of the colors. A lot of them came out either lighter than I wanted to or browner than I wanted to, but I'm not too like upset about it because I wanted it to have sort of a natural color going on. And I'm so extra, I'm sorry. I'm gonna take it down and then I'm gonna model it for you. I'm gonna show you every single section, every single layer of my hair so you can really see how the colors build upon each other. And then you'll be able to see more of the red. As I move towards the top of my hair, you can see the slight metallic sheen in some of the braids. It is very subtle. I used about 6 to 7 strands per braid, and I really love how it turned out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.